Stop paying for tools you don't need. Here are the best free business tools in 2026, one category at a time. For AI, you've got ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity free. Plus GenCraft, Video AI, Predis AI, and Neural Love, all free. For video editing, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, and Clipchamp are top tier. iMovie, Kdenlive, Shotcut, and OpenShot rounded out. For design, Canva and Figma lead the pack. Vista Create, GIMP, Photopea, Lunacy, and PenPot are all powerful free options too. For content ideas, use Answer the Public, Ubersuggest, Also Asked, Google Trends, Exploding Topics, and BuzzSumo, all free. For scheduling, use Creator Studio, Buffer, Canva Scheduler, Metricool, Later, Planoly, or TweetDeck, all free tiers available. For sales, HubSpot CRM, Calendly, Notion, Moo, Zoho CRM, Bitrix24, and Fresh Sales all have solid free plans. For team collaboration, Slack, Trello, Notion, Google Meet, Discord, Asana, and ClickUp all offer free plans. Comment link for the full list. Like, share, and follow for more free tool roundups every week.